This is what you should eat in a day to get healthy and lose fat. Meal one, breakfast. We've got 150 grams of grass-fed beef, organic.
Meat and dairy are not good for your body, and they're not good for the environment.
If they tell you to eat more meat to be strong, don't buy it.
That's okay. We'll get rid of the meat. We don't want to die. We've still got 120 grams carbohydrates coming from sweet potato
Well, then those carbohydrates can turn into fat through a process called de novo lipogenesis.
Sorry guys, didn't realize that carbohydrates will make you fat. Anyway, doesn't matter. We've still got healthy veg, peas, carrots.
You've been told that all vegetables are good for you. That is bullshit.
Serious. Vegetables. Sorry guys, seems like vegetables are going to kill you as well.
Non-stick pans are nuking your testosterone. Could seed oils be lowering your testosterone?